Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are safe wherever you are in these times of coronavirus. So I'm going to share with you 5 apps that can earn you money at the comfort of your home. So these apps do not require any training, they do not require any experience. All you need is your smartphone, and you will not be required to pay any money to register. You will only need about 0 to 5 MBs or 10 MBs, and you get started. In these times that we are staying at home, I figured I should share with you how I'm earning money, because I know it's not easy to stay indoors without any source of income, and I'll only share with you apps that I have tried that have paid me. I don't know about others. Of course, there are so many apps that can pay you, but these ones that I'm going to share are the ones that have paid me, and I'll be giving you evidence that shows I've been paid. And also, remember that online jobs are tricky because there are so very many scammers. So it's always good to be careful when you are trying online jobs. Remember, you need to consult. I also advise you to not pay any money. You cannot pay money when you're seeking a job. Please, if any app tells you to pay money or any online jobs, please do not pay them any money. That's a sign of a scammer. So let's get into the video. So before we start, thank you for clicking to watch this video. You can tell me what you think down the comment section. Tell me whether you like this kind of videos. Also, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you are a subscriber, thanks and welcome back. The first app is Opinion Space. Opinion Space is so easy to use, and the good thing is that it pays through M-Pesa. So to get started with Opinion Space, all you need to do is to register and to set up your profile. To register is always free. As I told you, these apps are free to register. And once you register, they will send you a confirmation message in your email, which you're going to click, and that's it. After you click, you verify yourself and you get started. So this app gives you surveys to do. The surveys are usually very easy, but to increase your chances of getting many surveys, you need to complete filling your profile, so that they can know the kind of surveys that are fit for you, and also so that you can be given surveys more regularly. Once you finish a survey, you are rewarded points, which are cash points, and you get paid through PayPal or M-Pesa. You can choose any, and that's it. Let me mention one limitation about Opinion Space. The only limitation is that you're only paid once your money has accumulated to 1,200 Kenya shillings. But the good news is that they pay well. Their surveys always range from 1 to 5 minutes, and depending on the time you take to complete the survey, you're paid between 150 to 500 shillings. So I think it's very easy to accumulate to 1,200. And as long as you're doing very many surveys, make sure you don't miss out on the surveys, so that you get paid more money, and so that you can get your target really quick. The second app that can earn you money at home is GeoPoll. I was shocked at how easy it was to earn money through GeoPoll. I must mention this because they usually send the surveys through your text message. Okay, it is also a survey app that you're given quite easy surveys. They are very easy. Like, for example, you can be told to give all the bar soaps you use, the brands, and how much it costs in your neighborhood. This one is very easy because they will send you the message through your phone, through a text message, so you'll get to know that you are invited for a survey. But the only thing is that it pays you in form of airtime, but it's good to get airtime free of charge at the comfort of your home, and it's easy and very, very free to do the surveys. If you're serious with the surveys and if you respond to their invitations really quick, you can earn up to 200 bob airtime per week. I have earned that. I earn at least 200 every week. So yeah, it's a good app. 200 bob is good money because it's free of charge. And you only take at most 1 to 5 minutes of your time. Yeah. That's the first way to earn through GeoPoll. The second way you can earn through GeoPoll is by photography. So you are given a task, for example, to take a photograph of a supermarket shelves near you, and so that they can see how well they are arranged. And you don't need to be a super photographer or an expert. You only need to take a photo. As long as you take a photo for them, as long as you have a smartphone, then they don't need to be so quality like a real photographer. All you need is just a photo and you're good to go. The third way you can earn through GeoPoll is checking a price of a commodity. For example, you can be told to go to a shop near you or a kiosk and check the price of, for example, 1 kg of sugar. And once you check and send them to them, you earn some airtime. And I think that's very easy. So the fourth way you can earn through GeoPoll is through testing and reviewing mobile apps. Organizations have developed apps in this modern world. There are so many apps in Play Store. So now GeoPoll pays you to review those apps. So the organizations pay GeoPoll and GeoPoll now pays you to review those apps. Also, inside the app, the GeoPoll app, you'll find these things. There are so many ways to earn through GeoPoll, but the only thing is that it pays you through airtime, which I think is good, and so I decided to share with you. I'm going to leave a link in the description box which you can click and register quickly for all these apps that I'm going to give you. The third app is Kilomall app. I know you're wondering how a buy and sell app can pay you, but I am going to explain to you how to earn through Kilomall. It's a bit complicated, but very easy once you get started. All you need to do is to join the Kilomall affiliate program. You'll need to register and activate, just in case you had not activated your Kilomall account. Okay, let me give you the steps of the Kilomall affiliate program. So the first step is to download the app, just in case you didn't have it. The second step is to register for your account. And the third and the last step is to invite people using your referral code. So every person that joins Kilomall using your referral code earns you 20 bob, and I think 20 shillings is good. So because now imagine you invite 20 people every day. Each person earns you 20 bob. That means you will be earning 400 shillings per day. Earning 400 shillings per day at the comfort of your home is a good thing. I think so. You can use that 400 bob to shop goods in Kilomall, or you can withdraw the money if you want. So why not try it? In case you're wondering, you can also earn in Kilomall even if you're not registered. All you need to do is go to the Kilomall profile, click your profile, and you'll find a referral link. Click the link and invite your friends using that link. Now to earn through this, now because you are not in the affiliate program, your friend will need to shop with Kilomall within 180 days of the invite. The fourth app is the Jumia app. I know this one is very common to almost everyone who has tried doing online job, but I know some of us have not interacted with it, and some may be wondering how to earn using Jumia. So let me tell you how easy it is to earn using Jumia. For Jumia, you'll also need to join the affiliate program. It is very easy to join the affiliate program. Once you join the affiliate program, you need to find an item or a good that is popular to your friends, or that which you know your friends will be interested in buying. Then promote it. This one is easy for you if you have a great following on Insta or YouTube or Facebook or any social media platform. All you need to do is to understand what your audience wants. I know you have seen many YouTubers promoting Jumia products. Yeah, so once you promote that product and once your friend buys it, you get a commission. The fifth way to earn online in Kenya is Jiji app, which was formerly OLX Kenya. Many people knew about OLX, so it changed the name to Jiji Kenya. It's very easy to earn using this one, and it's it's free. I know this is the most underrated app, but it is yet the most effective app that you don't need a lot of energy. You can use this app to sell your products or household items that you are no longer using. For instance, clothes that are no longer serving your purpose, or that table that is no longer serving your purpose, or sometimes you might go broke and you need to sell some. The quickest way to sell it is using the Jiji app. So I think those are the 5 major ways to earn in Kenya. But I'm going to give you a bonus app. The 6th apps, there are apps that can earn you money in Kenya, are quite complicated and a bit hectic, but can earn you money at the end of the day, are the money lending apps. There are so many money lending apps in Kenya. We have Branch, Tala. Those are the most popular. Kuna Timiza. I think there are very many. So you can use those apps and earn money using them. This one's paid through referring. Once you refer your friend and they are given money, a loan, then they pay the loan on time, then you are given a commission. The commission will depend with the loan, the amount of loan, and also the app that has given them the loan. So I can't say much about these ones. I've not tried them, but my friends have tried them and they are being paid using them. So I think they are good also. That's the end of the video for today, guys. I'll be meeting you next time. I'll be speaking more about finances and how to earn money at the comfort of your home. Also, feel free to ask me any questions about all the things I have talked about in the comment section down below, and I'll be answering all of them kama kawaida. And remember to subscribe and like this video. Bye.